Hello everybody and welcome to Stamping with Ian. Today we're doing an unbox and review video. This is an occasional series I do. This will be number 2 yeah. Today we're going to look at the January kit supplied by Scrimpingmommy.co.uk. First thing you see straight away is that the box is decorated. Some lovely little hearts there. This is the kind of, I've had one of these kits before, and this is the attention to detail that I really like. It's someone who goes above and beyond what they have to. So, opening up, hoping that stays where it is. Tissue paper. And contents. Right. Inside is a lovely little handmade card. Again, keeping with the theme of, which is painted with love, I think the theme is. Anyway, heart, lovely flower, and just a little handwritten note just to say thank you. Little touches. Right, on top we have a little pack of the narrow note cards and envelopes. A few of those. 3 pieces of ribbon. I love the rare vanilla lace one, actually. In fact, I need a roll of that myself, actually. So yeah, so a series of assorted die cuts in different sizes. They're all hearts. Gold and silver doilies. Again, same stamp and colours, all used throughout this kit. Some gold, the gold faceted gems. I've got the clear ones, but I don't have any gold ones, so this is nice. 3 of the silver gift boxes. These are so awesome. I need something else I need to buy. And then we come to the beautiful DSP. There's 4 sheets, one of each design, and look at the foiling. You see that? Beautiful. I've ordered a pack of that, so I should put that with that. Pack of some vellum there, which always comes in, and the cardstock pack to match the DSP. And there's how many sheets of each? 2 sheets of each colour. So Melon Mambo, Calypso Coral, and either Powder Pink or Blushing Bride. Can't remember which. And there we have it. So, put everything back and space it out so you can see it. The boxes, faceted gems, the gold doilies, the die cuts, the ribbon, and the note cards and envelopes. A wonderful kit. I paid £21 for this. Well worth it. I should definitely be ordering more, I think, in the future. This kit's available till the 28th of January. Available to UK people only. And you can head over to scrimpingmommy.co.uk and take a look for yourself. Alright, this has been Stamping Within. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye for now.